Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on date and time. It should be on the fifth position, and as you can see here we've got some options which we unfortunately cannot customize right now. It is because we are using automatic date and time, which is nowhere provided. So first of all, we have to turn off this option just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can freely tap on date, and as you can see, just by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. The same situation with the time, just by swiping and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will immediately appear on the status bar. And the same situation with the time zone, just tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available regions. I accidentally picked the region, so this is what you have to do. Find the one you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick New Zealand, for example, and we can go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied, and be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Under it, we've got the time format option. Currently we are using, let's say, manual option, so we can manually decide what format we will apply. Currently we've got 24-hour format. If you'd like to use 12-hour format, just turn off this option, and as you can see, it will be also immediately applied. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time. Of course, you can get back to all previous settings and just tap on this switcher at the very top to use automatic date and time. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your TCL Tab 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.